Today, Shanti wanted to do a spirit animal card reading for us. So I'm going to spread the deck and we'll see which card she picks for the message of the day. Which card do you want, baby? That one? Okay. Ooh, the lizard. Regeneration. As a survivor, you are unparalleled. No matter what happens, you can adapt. Embrace your transformation. Put on your new cloak. You are a master of regeneration. Well, this is appropriate for me. Any of you out there? Thank you, Shanti. All right, sending you love and light, and we'll see you soon.